Welcome back to the house that never slumbers. Today we're here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the Park Tower Inn. And I wanted to give you a video tour of our hotel room. On the blog, thehousethatneverslumbers.com, we have a post, 5 items you must pack for your next hotel stay. And I want to show you how some of those items work in our room. We're traveling with a large family, so it's important to keep the room organized. If not, it would be even more chaos than it already is. Here you see our vanity in the bathroom. The way we keep that somewhat clean is with this hanging pocket organizer that lets us hold the makeup, different ponytail holders. Like I clip my ring to that so we don't lose that. We put the toothbrushes in a cup there, and that keeps the counter surface fairly clean and organized. One in the room, you see here's our pop-up hamper, and I don't use that for the dirty laundry because a lot of wet and dirty laundry will get that all smelly. We put the dirty laundry in a regular trash bag, and then I bring the clean laundry back to the room in this nice pop-up hamper. It's so much easier than trying to carry it back in a bag, and that way I can fold it on the surface in the laundry room at the hotel. And this hotel has a decent laundry room. Here you'll see our power strips to charge items, the laptop, iPads, iPhones. And here's one of these cheap extension cords. That makes it nice so people don't have to be stuck right by the wall when they're charging things. And that is attached to a power strip right there. That gives us plenty of space for chargers, plenty of outlets. Here's a nice life hack for you. We use this ironing, or the hanging ironing board. We use those hooks for our jackets, and that just keeps them from being all over the hotel room. It's a nice place to hang those if you're traveling in colder weather and need jackets, which we were hoping it would be warmer this week, but it wasn't. Here are the bathing suits all hanging to dry, and the hotels never have enough of these hangers, really, for all of our stuff because there's too many of us. And they don't have clips usually, which the clips make it really nice for bathing suits because the bathing suits just fall right off of those metal hangers. But we have these that we save throughout the year. When you buy any kind of pants, they come with these cheap hangers. I just save those, bring them with us. They don't take up a whole lot of space in the suitcase, but then I can just leave them. When we leave here today, I'll just trash those because I don't need to take them home, but they do a nice job of drying the bathing suits. Here we have a TV, microwave, a mini fridge, which always makes it nice to be able to keep our own drinks, to be able to keep those cold without constantly getting ice from the hotel. Here's our folding table cooler, and on the blog, we have a post reviewing that. We also have a post on the YouTube channel, a video review of how that folding table cooler works. It's also linked in the post, 5 items you must pack for your next hotel stay. It's linked toward the bottom. And you can see this. This just folds out to make a table surface. The other side folds out as well, so you get a fairly decent sized table out of that. And that is really nice if you bring pizza back to the room. You can spread that all out and not be taking up all your other surface because the surface is usually covered with our other snacks. You can also see our pop-up trash can. That's linked on the post. 5 items you must pack for your next hotel stay. And that is really nice. We've been using that same one for several years. And it folds right down to pack easily. But it's so nice to have a full-size trash can instead of these little trash cans. I mean, that thing fills up the first night we're here. And we don't have our room cleaned every day because it's kind of disorganized anyway. and we don't want to have to pick all our items up for them to sweep. So we try to take care of our own trash. We just carry that out to the dumpster whenever it's full. Here's our balcony. We are on the side of the hotel that points toward the island over here. You can see the Ferris wheel at the island. It's a nice little shopping center. It's fun. We can walk right over there. There's another hotel. All these rooms have balconies. A couple of chairs. It's really nice when it's warm and sunny to sit on the balcony, but not so much when it's cold like it is this morning. We have a third bed here. It folds into the couch. Give you a nice view of the whole room. And there you have our hotel room at the Park Tower Inn in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. See you next time on The House That Never Slept.